welcome to my channel, Mrs. Girl Life, now a vlogging channel. I am Tamika, just country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. I am a mom of 3, trying to make it in this world with this thing called life, y'all. To know us is to love us. Hope you are inspired and motivated. Enjoy! Hey y'all, so I'm about to get out here and get some of this stuff in the ground, in the buckets, wherever I get them up. Yeah, I want to get all my stuff in the ground so I know what I need, what I want to get more of, and all that type of stuff. So I'm gonna bring y'all along while I work. I hope it motivates y'all. Y'all can put this video on while you in the garden or whatever the case may be, and let's go ahead and get this stuff growing, y'all. Okay, y'all, so right here I am about to put these squash and zucchinis in these buckets. All right, so keep in mind, for anybody that's new at gardening and maybe watching this, whenever I do squash and zucchini and things like that in containers, if I'm using 5-gallon buckets, I use 1 bucket for 1 plant. Okay, those roots, the plant itself, are the roots are very strong, deep, I guess you could say. Now if I was growing in ground, I would grow them close together, because once they get down there on that ground, they can the roots have a whole lot of space, you know, to spread out. But in containers, you will overcrowd, stunt the growth of the plant and your fruit. So make sure if you're doing 5-gallon buckets, you put 1 of those zucchinis or squash in there. Now you can also add like some chives or something that's small, some herbs or something, to give you more growing space, like more things. If you want to, you could do that. But far as the zucchinis and the squash, you need to have 1 per bucket. If you decide to use one of those those tote bins that I was using, like those totes, I have done 2 to 3 in one of those, depending on how long. If it's just one of those square ones, I have done 2. But I will say, it did not produce as much. It produced, now don't get me wrong, but it did not produce as much as it do when it's in a container by itself. So I am going to be putting some in the ground, but I wanted to go ahead and get these in something. So I said, let me just go and put these in the buckets. Now I'm going to have some that I come back through from another batch and put in the ground, okay? And we're going to see how those grow, because y'all know I'm a container gardener. I love container gardening. But I'm going to see how they do in the ground this year, with, you know, putting those in there, in the ground or whatever. Now, as for my soil, a lot of y'all ask me, what do I do each year for my soil? Nothing. If I need to add more soil, if I need to thin out the soil because it's got too much compost in it, or whatever the case, I just take some plain potting soil. If you're growing in containers, shoot, you can take some soil from right outside and mix it in there until it's thin out, till it's the thin out. That is all I do. If the buckets are low, I add some more dirt. I already told y'all, it'll be cheaper to go and get y'all that if y'all got a landscaping place that may have garden dirt or potting soil, go get you a dump truck full of that. Rent you a truck from these U-Hauls and stuff like that. That'll be a lot cheaper than that bag soil, y'all. That's what I did last year. I don't need no soil this year, but for the past 2 years I bought that bag soil, and I have spent a lot of money, especially for the amount of buckets and containers that I have. Okay, so those are just some tips. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I do know I got a lot more stuff that, well, as of now, as I'm editing this video, I got a lot more stuff. At the time that I was putting this out, I was like, okay, I'm done with putting out all my starts, and y'all, I got so many more. So so at the time that I'm editing this video, I got so many more, but at the time that I was putting them out, these are my first batch that I had got from the Red Firm Nursery the other day, if y'all have been following me.
creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. November gets cold, December gets darker. Let me know when you're home, 'cause you're lighting a spark in me. It's pretty lonely, I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back from making them peanuts. I had told the kids that I was going to make them some, so that's what I had to do. So I'm out here now trying to plant all these tomato plants, y'all. I had so many. I bought more tomato plants than I had intended to, that I had planned for, but I can sell tomatoes. A lot of people here like tomatoes. So I got a lot of different varieties. So now I'm just trying to get them in the ground. Yes, I am planting them close together because I'm going to keep them pruned and they'll have enough space how I'm going to prune them and keep them, in check and everything like that. So yeah, so I'm just planting all of them. I'm gonna put some mild. Well, I ended up putting some mild pepper plants on the end, but I think I still got some tomato plants, y'all. And then some of these little seed trays had like 3 tomato plants in one, way more than what I thought. When you're looking at, you see 4 plants. Well, it was more than that because it was like 2 or 3 in one seed tray. I ain't complaining. So yeah, y'all, that is what's going on right here.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh.
Okay, y'all, so to see the rest of the outcome of this, it will be in the next vlog that I put up, because I don't want my videos so long. I told y'all I've been working on that, okay? I know y'all got things to do. So I hope this was motivational to get y'all out there, get stuff in the ground, see how I'm doing it, everything like that. Like I say, the next vlog after this one will show you the results of everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all hit that notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one. If it's y'all's will, y'all be safe. Until next time, bye. Okay, y'all, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see you in the next one. Y'all be safe. Bye.